Hello and welcome once again to MoviePix.com. I'm Chuck Ingalls, your host for this video tutorial. We're going to talk about editing video using the YouTube video editor and just kind of doing a quick edit to get something up to YouTube without having to use Vegas or Premiere Elements or any other video editor. Just upload your video to YouTube, use their little video editor to make some quick changes. It's got some pretty cool stuff, so we're going to talk about that. First thing I wanted to mention though, if you haven't checked out our forum, please be sure and do that. It's located under the main home page of MoviePix, under the menu, our navigation menu on the left side here, where it says Community Forum, and you just click on that. It'll take you to the forum. You can sign up. It's free. There's a lot of very friendly and knowledgeable people here to help you with pretty much any question you have about anything. Now obviously our focus is photography and video, audio, and things to do with making movies, but really the knowledge is so vast on the site that there have been questions about any feasible topic, anything you could think of. Probably there have been questions asked and answered at moviepix.com. The knowledge level of this forum is just amazing, and you really enjoy it. A lot of friendly people, they're there to help you, so be sure and check out the forum if you haven't done so already. So let's zip over to YouTube, and of course you have to have a YouTube subscription or membership. You have to sign up, and then you can upload videos to your account. So let's click on upload. We're going to pick a video that we can upload. Check out a nice short one here, just a couple seconds long. And we'll just give it a little bit of a description, and we'll click publish. Okay, and as you can see, the upload is complete, and it's working on processing the video. Now once that video is processed, once that video is processed, we can click on the video manager and we'll be able to make some edits here. Now a previous video that I did, as you can see, there's options here under edit for info and settings, enhancements, audio, annotations, cards, etc. Now what we can do is make enhancements and some changes to the audio, is what we're going to show right now. So let's take a look at that. Can't do this one yet until it's done processing, as you can see, so we'll wait for that to be completed. In the meantime, let's go here and check out the enhancements. As you notice, the tabs at the top are the same. Info and settings, info and settings, enhancements, audio, annotations. Okay, so under enhancements we have options to revert to original and save as new video. So once we get done making all our changes, we have the option to either save it as a new video, save it as the video that was uploaded, which it'll replace the existing video, or you can revert to the original. We have quick fixes, filters, and special effects. Under quick fixes we have an auto fix, a stabilize, which actually the stabilizer works very well, light changes, contrast, saturation, color temperature. We can go to slow motion, time lapse, we can trim the video, and we can rotate it. There's a lot we can do right here. You also have some filters set up that you can choose from any of these filters to add to your video, and you can also blur faces. That's their special effect. So doing this is very simple. If you click on stabilize, it'll stabilize your entire video. It gives you the original and it gives you a preview. So you can tell already, it's a little bit loud, turn it down some. You can tell already that it's done a pretty good job in stabilization. It's a lot less movement on the previous side. So the stabilizers work great. We can maybe bring up the saturation a little bit. We can do a little slow motion. It does slow down the audio at the same time, so you might not want to do that. So let's go back and revert to original. Every time you make a change, it does play the video, which at times can be a little annoying. You can set the original and the preview where on the screen you want that to be separated. I love the stabilizer and I love the autofix, and it just in a really quick way cleans up the video. And then our other option at this point is to trim the video, and I want to trim off a little bit at the end, let's say. So you click on trim. Here's your basically your work area, and it's pretty much like a work area bar, and we're going to cut off the last couple of seconds of this video, and we're going to click done. It's going to shorten our video. We're going to click save, and it's going to tell you that it's going to take a little bit, but eventually it'll be available to view and the changes will appear. So we click save, and then we're done. And that's our editing. So YouTube has a really nice little editing application embedded in it that you can use to make some quick changes, do some trimming, edit the saturation, the lighting, to use their little stabilizer. All that stuff is pretty cool and it works very well, especially if you're just trying to get something up on YouTube in a hurry and don't want to open up Premiere Elements or whatever editing application you're using. Hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. If you didn't know before, now you know that you can edit your video right on YouTube. Hopefully that will help you out and save you some time in the future. Thanks for joining me here at MoviePix.com. Hope you'll join us again real soon for another MoviePix video tutorial.